From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update.
All right, take a look at the latest heat signatures coming in from the fires. Most of it is off to the north and west, as we have typically seen. Now, what I want to do at this point is show you the fire perimeter. And one thing I want you to remember is don't take these numbers to be exact. What I'm doing here is I'm taking the latest fire perimeter of the deep fire, for example, here in Trinity County, and I'm taking the edge of that fire perimeter and dragging it to each of these particular communities to give you a basic idea of the distance of the fire is from you, okay? So we take a look at Coffee Creek, 15.9 miles. Trinity Center, 12.4. 7.9 from Trinity Center, and Trinity Alps, about 4.1. Keep in mind here, we're looking at Highway 3, Trinity Center, or Trinity County, that is, and there, of course, is Trinity Lake. All right, let's take you to the south, some bigger communities such as Weaverville, 12.3 miles from Deep Fire, 13.7 miles Junction City, and 13.9 miles for Helena. All right, now we take you off to the coast. You've got the Smith River Complex that we're looking at here. So there are several fires kind of going around. Here's one right here. There's another one right here. So from Gasquet, the closest fire there is 7.5 miles. Here you can see Hiuchi. Forgive me if I say that incorrectly. If someone could get back to me if I say it incorrectly, let me know. 10.9. Now from Crescent City, all the way over here, 16.3, and Smith River is about 6.7 miles from these fires. So just kind of keep an eye on these here. We also have this one. You may have seen the pictures on Highway 199 of the fires there on the highway there. That one is about 3.2 miles from Idlewood. That's, of course, still the Smith River Complex. So, of course, it's several fires in one here. Coastal showers are a possibility today with maybe some lightning strikes. Thunderstorms may continue off and on through Sunday for the higher elevations and the inland areas, but a big cool down as we take you into the weekend. Hour by hour, we are seeing showers, thunderstorms in the forecast for both the inland areas and the coast. That's also the case for Trinity County, with temperatures kind of hovering right around that 100-degree mark, give or take. The area of low pressure is slowly shifting eastward, but we still have the flow around that, giving us the moisture into Northern California. And when we look at Futurecast, there it is, 4 p.m. today. We're still seeing that activity. Showers, thunderstorms all across the North Coast and into Trinity County. By tonight, it is gone. We're getting a break. But look at Friday. Friday, it looks like mainly in Trinity County. I think maybe some of the inland areas could see some activity here on Friday as well, but the coast will stay dry. Already by 6 p.m. on Friday, most of it's gone. Then we take into Saturday. Let's go with another round of showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of those making their way into the inland areas as well through the afternoon and into the evening hours on Saturday. Sunday, still that chance for higher elevations, inland areas as well. Then by Monday, take a look at this. This could possibly be the remnants of Hillary, what is now Hurricane Hillary down over the Pacific. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. That will be to our east. We should, for the most part, stay dry, not to mention Tuesday and Wednesday of next week as well. Now, I still have that chance for showers in the forecast because I'm going to wait for a little bit more consistency for next Tuesday, but we'll talk about that in a second. There's a look at Hillary, and you can see as we take you into this weekend, and it looks like by the time we get into Monday of next week, it'll of course be a tropical depression, be much weaker, but there is going to be some energy associated with it that could bring us some showers off to the east of us in eastern California, Northern California that is, and we should remain dry. However, this shifts a little bit more to the west, we've got rain. If it shifts more to the east, none of California will see that rain. Unfortunately, it may pick up the winds, but I think the winds will be strongest by the time we're down into Southern California. Here's your temperature trend. Temperatures are dropping. We expect a nice drop in our temperatures here by the time we do get into the weekend. So that is still looking pretty promising. Let's take a look at those wave heights going into Friday. Yeah, it looks like they are going to be increasing upwards of even 12 feet. So be aware of that if you are a boater or a fisherman. Here is a look at your marine forecast. There you can see the possibility for some of those showers out there. Winds from the northwest at about 5 knots. All right, let's take a look at your forecast for today. Showers, thunderstorms for Trinity County, not to mention into the eastern portions of Del Norte and Humboldt counties, but otherwise looking at those showers and possibly thunderstorms for the coast as well. I don't have anything for the coast on Friday, but the chance off and on through Sunday. Now again, I'll most likely, if you're watching your evening forecast, my update for the evening, I'll most likely be taking that out of the forecast because most likely it'll be dry on Tuesday of next week as well. But again, I'm going to wait for the latest forecast models before I actually put that in stone. Looking at your 7-day outlook for Eureka, those temperatures will be in the mid-60s. There's a chance for showers, maybe thunderstorms even for the coast today, but dry for Friday through the weekend, not to mention Monday. As I mentioned, I'll probably even be taking that chance for showers for next Tuesday out as well.